Hi there, it's Dee from Artsy D, and today's video is all about how to paint a loose watercolor lemon. Now, if you're nervous about drawing or just don't feel confident putting pencil to paper before watercolor, I've made this free template available and I've popped the link in the description below if you'd like to follow along. Okay, to start, let's have a look at the supplies that I have ready. I've got 2 paint brushes. This is a size 6 and a smaller one, size 0, but I particularly went for these 2 because I really like the pointed tip of this paintbrush. I've got my clean ceramic palette ready, some clean paper towel. I've got my colors, watercolors ready, and a fresh pot of water. And then of course I've got my template that I've printed out. I've printed this out on mixed media paper. It's 160 grams. My printer doesn't handle really thicker paper than that, so I just go with 160 grams to start. But of course you can freehand draw this if you feel confident enough, or you can print it out and trace it onto watercolor paper, put it up against a bright window, or if you are lucky enough to have a light box, you can use that too. Okay, so the colors that I'm using today, I'm going for my Aurelian yellow, my cadmium yellow, my lemon yellow, sap green, and olive green. Now, interestingly enough, lemon yellow, you'd think that would be the go-to for lemons, but in fact, lemon has a variety of different yellows in it. So we're going to start with our larger brush, and let's start working the first layer onto the lemon. And I'm going to go for my cadmium yellow. And I'm just going to start by outlining that lemon. I'm going to get a little bit more yellow on my brush, a little bit more water, and now I'm going to start painting little dabs of the watercolor down onto the lemon. As you can see, I'm not completely painting the entire lemon. I'm purposefully leaving white areas, and that really helps give the lemon that sense that there's light shining off it, and it also helps to create that speckled surface of lemon skin. And in this particular lemon, I think the light is hitting it from the front left-hand side, so I'm going to have most of the lightest area, or the whites, in this part of the lemon. Now, with watercolor, to make your color lighter, you're just going to add more water to your pigment. Okay, so there we have a first wash on that large lemon, and now let's move to the lemon segment. Once again, I'm going to use my cadmium yellow, and I'm going to outline it first. I'm purposefully going to leave a tiny sliver of white on the edge of this lemon, and that really helps lift it away from the lemon behind it. Once again, working in kind of dabs and leaving some white visible. Then we're going to paint the little lemon segments. I'm going to swap brushes to my more pointed brush, and I'm going to grab some more of this cadmium yellow. I want to make this quite light, not too bright, and I'm going to start painting into these little segments. And I'm going to paint them in as though it is lines. The lines are sort of radiating outward or inward. It's not solid color. You can see this brush has a lovely point, and so we get those very fine lines. Sometimes I rotate my page just so that my hand has, well, I have a better angle. If you're enjoying this or finding it helpful, please do like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other beginner watercolor tutorials and any other free resources that I release. I try to release new resources every week to help you create art without the fear of getting started. Okay, and once we've done that, that is, as I said, our first wash. I'm going to grab a little bit more of this yellow using that very pointed tip, and I'm going to just edge the diameter of the lemon wedge. Okay, and if you want to lighten that, you can just go in with a clean brush and grab some of that. Okay, let's go into our second wash now to start building up the lemon. So I'm going to grab some of my Aurelian yellow, which is a much warmer, richer, almost goldy yellow, and I'm going to use some of that in that same mottled way to build up the lemon here. And I'm going to use it to add some shadowed areas. And I'm going to drop a bit of water into that so that we get some lovely natural blooms and bleeds. Okay, and then we're going to use that same Aurelian yellow, and we're going to go into the sliced half of the lemon. In the same way, just adding little dabs of color. Right, let's move on to the stem and the leaf. And we're going to start with our lovely sap green. Grab some of that there. And I'm going to start off by just adding a light wash of sap green to the little stem here and to the leaf. And while it's still wet, I'm going to grab a little bit of this olive green and I'm going to just drop it in and move it around slightly. And then I'm going to use some of that olive green to paint in the rest of the stem. Just edge some of this leaf here. We don't want to overwork it, which is quite easy to do with watercolor. You want to keep it quite light and loose. So rather stop too soon before it's too late. Okay, and then I'm going to actually add some of that sap green to my lemon itself, very lightly, to create a kind of shadow effect, increase the three-dimensionality of it, and to make it interesting. So we're just going to drop in a little bit of the green here. Doesn't have to be all over your lemon, but just in some key areas. It's looking more like a lime, but that's okay. And we can add a little bit of that Aurelian yellow lastly to the leaf itself. Just dropping it in. You can see it changes that green and adds some interest to that leaf. And there we have it, a lovely, loose, simple watercolor lemon. If you'd like to try this out yourself, don't forget to grab the free template that I've made. It is in the description below, or the link's in the description below. And please make sure you like and subscribe for my next easy watercolor tutorial and for inspiration and free resources that I release every week. Thanks for watching.